Hello everyone, Josie here. Welcome to Sari Sari Flavors. Today is an amazing recipe that I prepared for you. It's called Vietnamese Spring Rolls. This recipe is packed with protein and lots of vegetable, good for people who is trying to lose weight and can only eat gluten-free dish. So this is very easy to follow and I'm sure that you will love this one. So please hit the subscribe and the like button and let's get started. Alright, we're set. We're all ready to go. We have our spring roll skin here. Again, you can find this in your local grocery store or, of course, in Oriental store. It's called spring roll skin. Okay? And it's gonna look like this. Looks like paper. Then we have our lettuce here. We have our cilantro. We have our cucumber. I sliced them like this long. Okay, strips. And also the carrots. You can strip it, but what I did is I just used the peeler, so it's gonna be a little thin, but nice texture. And then I have the garlic chives. Usually when you make this, you can put basil, you can put bean sprout, you can put mint, but I don't have it right now, so I can have it. I can make it without it. We made our shrimp, we made the tofu, we lightly fry this in olive oil and cut them like this, long, okay? So we have warm water to dip our spring roll. So we are ready to roll our vegetables. So we're gonna grab one piece of spring roll skin. We're gonna dip it in water. Submerge the whole thing, tap the excess water, put it on your board, place your lettuce there. You can remove the hard part, or if it's too big, you can remove some, okay? And then put your cucumber there, your carrots, your tofu here. I put 2 in there. Put the vermicelli noodles on top, just like that, okay? And then, oops, our shrimp. We can forget the shrimp. And then you're gonna roll it, you're gonna hold it tight, okay? Tuck the side this way, inward, and the other side. And then now you're gonna roll it just like that. And now, folks, we are finished. Vietnamese spring rolls. Guys, you have to do this. You have to make this. This is very refreshing and very healthy. It's good for those people that are trying to lose weight and also allergic to gluten. This is the thing for you. This is packed with protein, low in calories. See, instead of using meat or ham, we use tofu, right? So, guys, make this. I hope that you enjoy this. For more videos, please hit and subscribe to my channel and tap